jolly hockey sticks. Isn't that the most ridiculous statement in the world? Hello my lovelies, welcome to Kieron's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Yorkshire puddings, otherwise known as popovers over here in the US. Let's get started. One of our most important pieces of equipment for this is going to be the Vitamix for us. We want to blend the gluten with our eggs really well. Our first thing we're going to do is crack our eggs and get them in our Vitamix. So 8 cracked eggs, 8 perfect eggs in there. The next thing we're going to be adding is our full fat milk. And we're going to pour that all in our Vitamix. Then we're going to be adding a little bit of water, kosher salt in here, and then our final ingredients is going to be our all-purpose flour. First of all, we're just going to put 2 scoops in here and then start the blender. So we've got it nicely blended. We're going to add a few more scoops of our flour, probably about the second of the thirds that we're putting in here. Put the lid back on, blend it again. So our final third is going to go in here. We're going to place it in a bowl, cover it up, and then let that gluten fully rest for us. Luckily, yesterday I made a batch and we'll go grab that one right now. So we've got yesterday's mix out at room temperature, so it's been out for about an hour. We've also got a jumbo muffin tin. What we're going to do is put a high smoke point oil into these pans. We want to put about 2 tablespoons in each one. Today we're going to use grapeseed oil, but you could use peanut oil, or in preference, if you really wanted to go all in, do beef fat. Alright, so now they're all full. We're going to put them in a 425 degree oven and we're going to let that come up to temperature for about 15 minutes. We've got our Yorkshire pudding mold all the way smoking hot at this point at 425 degrees, and you want to go quick right now. So when we get this out, we're going to rest it on the door and we're going to fill it with the batter really quickly. Right back in that oven, set it to 25 minutes, and we'll watch those rise. Alright, so they're coming out of the oven. It's smoking hot, so please be really careful at this stage. What we're going to do is take each one and place them on a wire rack. We don't want them to overly steam after they've roasted in this hot oven, so the wire rack allows them not to make any contact with the surface. We're going to let them cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, but personally, I can't resist, and we're going to go grab some strawberry jam and eat them right now. So we're all done. Here they are, our Yorkshire puddings. Usually you'd probably see these served with gravy, but right here we've got strawberry jam and some clotted cream to go with them. It's a really great way to enjoy the Yorkshire puddings all year round. For us with our kids, it's a really nice sweet treat, especially when we do movie night. So we're going to tear into them. You have a great day and we'll see you soon. Alright, so I bet you didn't know, but my Uncle John could eat 10 of these every night. So you guys got to try them while they're still warm. I got the ice cold strawberry jam and So if we don't finish this plate, we're not doing the next video. And we'll see you soon. Or a great day. Great day. Great Danes. You have a great day.